because it just tastes like chocolate milk. Not that I'm pressed about that, but you know, your girl just got out of a workout. She wants to keep the healthy vibes going. I mean, they said that there's protein in this, so I don't know. Good morning. Oh yeah, it's 9 a.m. Daylight savings time is throwing me for a freaking loop. I thought I would end off the vlog with another mini haul. Yesterday I did some damage. I hope you guys appreciate my little sun lamp. Not a lot of stuff, but it's like really good stuff, so I had to show you guys. First is like what I'm wearing. This thing came right out of the bag immediately once I got home. This was just a quarter zip that one of the style advisors told me that it would look really good. Why can't I speak? I picked this one. I picked it in an extra small because I didn't want it to be too oversized since it like kind of already is. So I was like, I'm just gonna go with my usual size for tops. Under that, this I happened to pass by. This is when things started to go downhill because I intentionally went into Artizia just to get a new staple high quality sweat set, and I came out with more than I intended to go in with. This literally is like the tank top, like the tank top for all my itty bitty titty committee girlies. Like, this is going to be your best friend. This is actually from their butter line. So if you know Artizia, you know their collections, and you've gotten like their activewear and their leggings. They have like different collections or like different materials, and my favorite by far is the butter collection because the material is just so soft. And I was only getting their leggings at the time, and maybe, yeah, also like their sports bras, but it's just the perfect amount of like cropped and full length. Still trying to understand what my like body type is, so I know like what silhouettes work best with my shape. But like this was like purely by luck that I picked this up and had to have it, and the compression is just perfect, which gets me back to my small chested girlies. Like, if you struggle to find tank tops that have like the right amount of compression, like this is perfect. I also had like the vision to like have this draped over and have it be like a whole look. This I'm gonna need in every single color. I also picked out the sweatpants. They're so cozy. I decided to go with a medium because I wanted the waistline to be like mid-rise to low-rise, just because I really like that more than like the high-rise. Continuing on with their butter line, I haven't even removed this, but when I go to work out, I'm definitely planning on wearing this. Those are the first pieces, and then I also, they are very strategic and smart with placing their pieces that they know I'm going to love and can't live without, like right before the register. So I just go feral. This is like a very nice taupe color, and I've been like, I usually just like wear like black leggings and like a black top or a white top, and I wanted to get into more colors, but obviously still staying with like the timeless shades. I'm not like a neon crazy pattern cutouts kind of girly. Like, I like it to just be like very simple and chic, just in case I want to actually wear it as an actual outfit. I also picked up the matching top, and I picked this up in an extra small, and I got the leggings in an extra small as well. I'm going to link them below if you guys want to shop any of these pieces, like especially since it's going to be Thanksgiving soon. So I imagine Artizia is going to have their sale. They have like an annual sale, I think, around like Black Friday. So definitely stay tuned for that because it's coming up, and there's going to be so many amazing staple pieces. Like, I just love Artizia. So hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. It was a little chaotic. I didn't get to vlogging everything that happened, but I hope that you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions on any of the links that I have below, let me know. If you have any vlog requests, want me to include any type of style or topic in my vlogs, then make sure that you comment below on that and give this video a big thumbs up because it really supports my channel. Subscribe, and also come visit me on Instagram and TikTok because I post there every single day. So I will see you next time. Bye!